If you know me, then you know how obsessed I am with skincare. It's something that I do diligently no matter what, no matter how tired I am. I always make sure to do it first thing as soon as I wake up and the last thing before I go to bed. And one of the key steps for me in terms of skincare is actually keeping my skin hydrated and making sure that it stays moisturized. And today's product is actually really good to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, and this is also going to give you that glass-like skin. This is Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Aqua Hydrogel Mask. I cannot wait to show you more about this. This is a gel-based mask which is pretty revolutionary. It's from Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals, which is a professional brand that is backed by skincare experts. Like I mentioned, this sheet mask is really different. It is an advanced version of your regular sheet mask, and this is gel based. It has a really nice texture which is very satisfying to apply, and this also has 4 times more serum than your regular sheet mask. Now to use this, just remove the sheet mask from the packaging, just tear it open and pull it up. Make sure your face is clean, and then you peel the backing film from the top mask sheet and place that side of the hydrogel mask onto your face, and you can remove the white backing sheet, and then you can repeat the same thing with the bottom mask sheet. You can leave this on for 15 minutes while it does its magic, and you can go ahead and do your favorite things. For me, it's hydrating my body, having some coffee, watering my plants. I also like to massage my face while the sheet mask is on, as this feels so relaxing. It also has this Korean no drip technology, which means that you do not lose any serum. There is no mess, and everything is just nice and clean and satisfying. It's also infused with seaweed and hyaluronic acid, and it just feels really soothing and calming on the skin and super duper hydrating in just 15 minutes. Usually with sheet masks, you need to apply it every single day and use it multiple times to actually see the result. With this, literally in one use, you are going to get that glass-like skin. Now, as you can see, this Aqua Hydrogel Mask is a gel-based mask versus other sheet masks which are tissue-based, and this has a polymer gel that holds 99% of the liquid, and it locks in the moisture for instant hydration. This is also enriched with hyaluronic acid, like I mentioned, to help replenish the hydration, and it also contains seaweed, which delivers antioxidants to the skin, and it also helps in improving skin tone and pigmentation. And you can use the Aqua Hydrogel Mask for all skin types. So this is what it looks like before and after, and you can genuinely see the glow on my skin. It feels so good, it is so refreshing, and I absolutely love the way it felt on my skin. The results speak for themselves. This is priced at rupees 525. I think this is quite a premium product, and it actually really works. So if you have a special occasion or you want to pamper your skin before you do your makeup or just for every day, I would 100% recommend this. You can check it out from the link in the description box, and let me know what you guys think, and if you've tried it, let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and let me know what else can I review for you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!